guys, I'm Corinne with Thompson RV in Pendleton, Oregon. Today I'm just going to make a really short video. We're just going to show you what a 22 FQS looks like with the dinette removed. So this is a brand new 2022 model. We already have a whole video on the Timber Ridge 22 FQS, so check our channel for that. But a lot of people ask about whether or not they can have the option of chairs or theater seating or even the sleeper sofa. As of right now, it's not an option from the factory, but once the trailer arrives to us, we can remove the dinette and make it look like it was never there. These people chose to have the two recliner swivel rockers. You can also option in the theater seating with the recliners, or there's also plenty of room if you needed a sleeper sofa. You could do the sleeper sofa right here. So I'll just show you a quick little tour of the whole trailer and then let us know if you have any questions.